What if I told you you could increase your chances of winning a robot cell build just by removing the comms cable from the robot? Let me explain. Every year, many businesses lose tens of thousands of pounds a year in downtime associated with comms cable failures on robot arms. For many of these businesses, it's such a big problem that they're willing to look at alternative solutions. This is where SMC's wireless system comes into its own. We can have a networkable base unit mounted near to the control panel and a remote I/O valve manifold mounted on the robot arm. This eliminates the need for the communications cable altogether. All we need on the robot now is DC and air. A common problem when quoting a robot cell build is managing the customer's expectations regarding the delivery schedule. Quite often, the component on the longest lead time could be the robot itself. This is because when you order a robot with a comms cable fitted to it, it becomes a custom part and is made to order. It may be that robots with just DC and air connections are much more widely available. We've seen OEMs reduce robot lead times from 26 weeks to 2 weeks just by ordering it without the comms cable fitted. It's this reduction in lead time that could be the difference between winning the order or not. By utilising our wireless system, you'll also be able to guarantee to your end user customer that they can have no downtime associated with comms cable failures because there won't be one. Competitors offering a more conventional system won't be able to match this guarantee. From an OEM perspective, you can also look to reduce your commissioning time, reduce your site time, and by remotely accessing the built-in web server function, you can reduce the need for future maintenance visits. All this makes for thousands of pounds in potential savings. We've already seen some of our OEM customers benefit from all these advantages. So if you would like to start making some savings and building smarter robot cells, please contact me directly.